Thanks, Franky.
Yeah, they're not for you. It's no snacking.
I'll try to restrain myself. Bridget.
I'm doing an admissions, can't hang around.
Hey, what happened to Red? Jodie was relying on her.
Frankie, you know the deal. Happy to talk about your situation, not other inmates. Would you like to talk?
I'd like to do a lot of things.
I have a free slot this afternoon.
Do you want me to fill it?
I want you to be serious.
I am.
It must be Kim Chang.
Franky! Miss me?
What the fuck are you doing back here?
What do you reckon? I missed you.
Back in the office.
Bye.
Work to do.
Bridget, that verbal abuse charge, the one that Miss B dropped, she's threatening to reinstate it and fuck my parole.
I was a witness when she withdrew it. Might be a good look if she changed her mind.
Hey. So you got my back?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Hey, Miss Westfall. I think you might be interested in this. I've got B. Smith's tox report back.
Fucking skanky, Bridget. You reckon it's... Oh, hello, hello.
Hey, you! What's with you and Franky, huh? Are you fucking?
Beg your pardon?
Chang, move away from the fence.
She only gets bored of me when she finds a new fuck.
Move away now.
You should sack her. She's fucking a prisoner.
Don't be ridiculous. Miss Westfall? What was that about?
No idea. But I'll get to the bottom of it.
Attention compound, reporting to work units.
Who used the syringe?
Pick a name.
If you want to get out of here, you will do what I ask.
It's too late. You dropped the charge. Bridget's my witness. You can't do shit.
What makes you think Miss Westfall would help you?
Just know.